Hi, so today I'm going to go through the new set designer. I'll try and make this quick. So I'm just going to log in as a coach. Alright, so we've got a couple of, we're going to come in, manage a few clients. And you can see here that I've already created a couple of workouts for today. I'll just come in and I'll just quickly delete those, just show you how that works. So what I'm going to do is set up a swim one and then a strength one, and kind of show you the difference and how the two work. But it can be used for any type of exercise. So I'll come in and we'll change our workout type to a swim. And you can see that this is the normal area where a client can enter or a coach can enter all the details of a workout. And then we come into the set designer, and these this section over here is your templates. So this is completely configurable. You can see that I've got this already set up for freestyle and drills, but you might want to break this into aerobic, anaerobic, endurance sets, and maybe drills. So I've just put in one from before, so we'll add another one in here. So we'll just say 200 meters freestyle, pretty common one, free, 200 meters breast, whatever. So I might put in that into the main, drag this one over to the drills, and you can see that quite quickly you can build up the sets, and this really beats having like a word file or something else where all the nuts and bolts of a workout are stored and then copied and pasted between athletes. Here you can just drag and drop your heart's content and really tailor it to your athletes. So we'll come in, we've created our swim workout. We'll just create a strength one as well. So we'll save that. And we're going to come and look at that from the client's perspective in a minute. So we'll come in and we'll just add a strength one. So today's legs day, because everyone forgets that. So come in, we'll just make that a strength. And again, we'll come into our sets. So you can see that I've already added a few here. Let's say put some core workout, because core is always important. So save and go planks. So over time, I'm going to make it so that you can minimize these, so you can fit a lot more of these sections in, but I'm kind of keen to just work with individuals to see how they use this and evolve it over time. So you can kind of see that what we're going to do is just create these a warm-up set, do our squats and do our lunges. All this can be reordered, and even though by default you have this warm up, main, and cool down, these can be changed, deleted, and they can't be reordered at the moment. But I can put that in if need be. You will notice for strength that it looks slightly different, and that's because you can actually enter in actuals. It doesn't really make sense for swim and for other workouts, but for strength, it's really the first one off the rank that has, that extra bit of special capability. So we'll just come in here and go save. So as a coach, we've created that. Now, say, Test is a poorly named user, but for example, if I wanted to, I can drag this over to to my other client, and he now has the same workout to do, and you can come in here and you could vary it up. So you could say single leg squats. So you can see how by just you know creating these templates, adding in a um, a few more options. You can really customize this whilst saving your time, because at the end of the day there are going to be some clients that have similar workouts to do that just need a bit of tweaking, and it just the whole idea is to save you time. So we'll come in and see it from the client's perspective. So this is Cameron. I'll just show you that it's just coached user at test.com. So you won't be able to log in because this is a test system. Just come in testing. Alright, so because this is the workouts that was planned for today, a client can come in and see exactly what there is, so the title, the duration if I remember to put that in, and then what is the actual activities that need to be done. So they can come in, they can edit that, and because it's a strength exercise, they they can come in here and actually add the weights that they did. So uh, in the next release, the user will be able to say enter 150 kilos the first time, and then every time after that, it will always automatically set to 150, and then they can adjust it from there. So if the last time they did squats, they did 150, and then they did 12, then it would automatically come to that, and then next thing, it just saves it. They'll be able to just finally tweak it from there. It saves them having to try and remember on a weekly basis what there is. So we've entered that in. Again, it will be in the next release. It would have already been 150 and 8, and then we'll save that. And you can enter as many as you like. So yeah, some of the things I'm considering of doing is, if it's got a time in it, instead of showing kilos, then it would just be a time thing that they can enter and see how much they actually did. Or they can just skip over it. It's not, I guess, as important of the track as it is, the strength over time. So yeah, the client saves that. One of the things I'd like to do in the future, everything's quite feasible, is to actually put in the charts so you can see what their progression is over time, and also start to put some of those smarts in to say, well, if this person is plateauing, then send that alert or make that visible so that you can make a decision on maybe you need to spice it up or change their program to kind of get them through that plateau. Okay, so that's it. Thank you very much for watching.